Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something that is going to completely change the way you think about vehicles. This is not just a car. This is not just a truck. What you are seeing right now is the NX947, a 2026 futuristic AI-powered mobile hospital vehicle, and honestly it is one of the most jaw-dropping concepts we have ever covered on this channel. So let us get straight into it. Starting with the exterior, and from the very first second your eyes land on this machine, you know you are looking at something built for the future. The body is finished in a premium matte white with deep charcoal black accents running across the entire length of the vehicle. The design language is bold, clean and aerodynamic, with sharp angular lines that give it an aggressive yet professional look. At the front you get a large hexagonal cockpit-style windshield with a holographic heads-up display integrated directly into the glass. The front fascia carries a glowing blue LED light bar that stretches across the full width of the bumper, and right in the center there is an illuminated white cross badge that instantly tells you what this vehicle is all about. On the roof you will find an AI-powered drone docking station along with a full sensor array that includes LiDAR towers, thermal imaging units and autonomous navigation cameras. The side profile is where things get really interesting because the NX947 features a fully deployable modular medical bay that extends outward from the vehicle body. When deployed, a retractable staircase folds down, giving access to the full medical suite inside. The side panels also carry the NX947 badge along with a large digital display embedded right into the bodywork that shows live AI diagnostics data in real time. Moving to the rear you get a hydraulically operated access ramp, double sliding doors and an active emergency light bar in red and blue. The vehicle rides on a 10-wheel heavy-duty chassis with aerodynamic alloy wheels wrapped in high-grip autonomous vehicle tires, all lit up with blue LED rim lighting that glows beautifully at night. Now let us step inside and talk about the interior, and this is where the NX947 truly separates itself from anything you have ever seen before. The cockpit is fully autonomous, meaning there is no traditional driver setup here. Instead you get a wraparound curved OLED dashboard with 5 holographic display screens showing everything from navigation data to live patient status panels, city map overlays and full vehicle diagnostics. The cabin is finished in sterile white with carbon fiber and brushed aluminum trim throughout, and the ambient lighting runs in a cool electric blue that gives the entire space a futuristic clinical feel. Moving into the medical bay, you are greeted by a surgical-grade treatment room complete with an automated hospital bed that has built-in vital monitoring sensors, a retractable robotic medical arm, overhead surgical LED lighting and multiple holographic patient display screens showing ECG readings and full body scan data in real time. The walls are fitted with 4 dispensers, oxygen systems and biometrically locked medical supply drawers. Every inch of this space has been designed with precision and functionality in mind. There is also a dedicated patient rest suite inside the NX947 that features a reclined ergonomic smart bed with integrated massage function, privacy curtains with LED edging, smart ambient mood lighting and a panoramic electrochromic window that can be tinted at the touch of a button. On top of that there is a compact medical-grade nutrition and kitchen station with a stainless steel countertop, automated supplement dispensers, a sealed hygienic food storage unit, a micro-convection oven and an AI-controlled water purification system. Every area inside this vehicle is spotless, thoughtfully designed and built to operate at the highest possible level. Now let us talk performance. The NX947 runs on a fully electric drivetrain with in-wheel hub motors powering all 10 wheels independently, giving it exceptional traction and stability on any surface. The suspension system is fully hydraulic and independent on each wheel, meaning the ride inside the medical bay stays smooth and stable even on rough urban roads, which is absolutely critical when you have patients being treated in motion. The autonomous navigation system uses a combination of LiDAR, radar, thermal imaging and AI processing to navigate through city traffic without any human input. Emergency response routing is handled automatically, with the AI calculating the fastest path while communicating with city traffic management systems in real time. Range on a full charge is estimated at around 400 miles, with rapid charging capability that can bring the battery back to 80% in under 30 minutes. And now the moment everyone has been waiting for, the price. The NX947 is currently positioned as a flagship emergency and medical deployment vehicle, and the pricing reflects that. The base configuration starts at around $850,000, while fully spec'd units with the extended medical suite, VIP patient cabin, drone deployment system and full AI navigation package are expected to come in at over $1.2 million. Now yes, that is a significant investment, but when you consider what this vehicle replaces, an entire mobile hospital on wheels that can reach any location autonomously, it starts to make a lot of sense for governments, healthcare providers and emergency response organizations. So that is our full review of the 2026 NX947 AI mobile hospital vehicle. It is bold, it is futuristic, and it genuinely represents a new chapter in what a vehicle can be. Let us know in the comments what you think about this machine. Would you want to see something like this deployed in your city? If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review here on MH Car Review. We will see you in the next one.